Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss this topic, multiplication of large numbers, from your second chapter. In your previous class we have learned about the multiplication of a number by 2-digit or 3-digit number. Let us take a revision of this type of multiplication. Suppose we have to multiply 175 multiply by 21. Then how can we multiply? We have to first arrange the numbers 175 and then below 21 with proper multiplication sign. Now in the table of 1, if we go through the multiplication table of 1, 1 5 ja 5, 1 7 ja 7, 1 1 ja 1. This first row is complete. Now give a cross sign. Now by 2, 2 5 ja 10, 10 0 we will take. For next step there is a carry 1 from 10. 2 7 ja 14, 14 plus 1 15, 15 5 will be here. Again 1 carry for next step. 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 3. So there become 2 rows. 1 for multiplied by 1 we get 175 and multiplied by 2 we get 350. Now add all this, add these 2 rows numbers. First 5 there is cross sign, means 0 is there, so 5, 7 plus 0 7, 5 plus 1 6, 3. So this is the result. So this is the multiplication result. Now in a particular multiplication there are 3 terms related. These terms are, first one here 175. Which number is multiplied by a number? This number is called multiplicand. Multiplicand. And by what number we are multiplying? This is called multiplier. Multiplier. And the result that we get, this term is called product. So these 3 terms are related always for a particular multiplication. Okay. Now here in this chapter in class 5 we will learn how to multiply large numbers when multiplier is of either 3-digit or 4-digit. Okay. Now let us take such example. Suppose we have to multiply this with 234. So 234 is the multiplier which is of 3-digit. Let us multiply. First write, take a space just above, and then below 234 multiply sign. First we will go through the table of multiplication table of 4. 4 5 ja 20, 0, 2 carried. 4 1 ja 4 plus 2, 6. 4 3 ja 12, 2, 1 carry. 4 5 ja 20 plus 1, 21. This first row is complete, multiplied by 4. Now give a cross sign. Now by 3. Go through the 3 table. 3 5 ja 15 5, 1 carry for next step. 3 1 ja 3 plus 1 carry, that is 4. 3 3 ja 9, 3 5 ja 15. Then again 2 crosses just below it. 2 crosses in the 2 places. Now go through with the table of 2, 2 5 ja 10, 0, 1 carry for next step. Here 2 1 ja 2 plus 1, 3, 2 3 ja 6, 2 5 ja 10. These above numbers are the carries. Now we have to add all these numbers, all this row. So as the multiplier was of 3 digit, we will get 3 rows this type. Now add 0, 6 plus 5, 11, 1, 1 carry, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1 carried 1, 7, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, no carried from here, 13, 3, 1 carry, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 6, 13 plus 1 carry, 14, 4, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2, 1. So this becomes the result, this is the product. Okay. So here we have multiplied a 4 digit number by a 3 digit multiplier. Let us take another example. Suppose we have to multiply, let us take example this one. Multiply 27604 with 175. 3 digit multiplier, but the multiplicand is of 5 digit. So write first 27604, 175 below, just it, multiply sign. Let us start the multiply with 5 table. 5 4 ja 20, 0, 2 carried here, but 5 0 0 plus 2, 2. 5 6 ja 30, 3 carried here. 5 7 ja 30, 5 7 ja 35 plus 3, 38, 8 is here, 3 carried. 5 2 ja 10 plus 3, 13. This complete. Now give a cross sign. Now by 7, 7 4 ja 28, 8 is here, 2 carried, 7 0 0 plus 2, that is 2. 7 6 ja 42, 2 is here, 4 carried. Okay. 7 7 ja 49 plus 4, 53, 3 carried. 3 is there, 5 carry. Now 7 2 ja 14 plus 5, 19. So this complete by 7, then cross sign here and again cross sign here. Start from here. Multiply with 1, 1 4 ja 4, 1 0 0, 1 6 6, 1 7 7, 1 2 ja 2. Now add all this. So we get here 0, 8 to 10, 1 carry, 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7, 8 plus 2 10 0, again 1 carry, 3 3 6 plus 6 12 plus 1 carry 13, 1 carry again, 9 plus 1 10 plus 7 17 plus 1 carry 18 8, 1 carry, 1 plus 2 3 plus carried 1 4. So this becomes the product of the result. So in this way we can multiply any multiplicand with a 3 digit number. Always we get 3 rows. Okay, 3 rows we are getting. Now whenever we are we have to multiply a number with a 4 digit multiplier. Example, suppose we are multiplying this one, a 4 digit number 2425 with a 4 digit multiplier, this one. Okay, so let us first arrange, first multiplicand, then the multiplier, product sign. Now start with 1 table. 1 5 ja 5, 1 2 is 2, 1 4 is 4, 1 2 is 2. Cross sign here. Now start with 2 table, multiplication table of 2. 2 5 is 10, 1 carry, here 1 carry. 2 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4. Then 2 crosses one after another. Start with 3. 3 5 is 15, 5, 1 carry. 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. 3 4 is 12, 2, 1 carried. 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. Now there is another digit, so again cross here and cross here. First time 1 cross, second time 2 cross, third time 3 crosses, in this way. So start with 1, 1 5 is 5, start from here. 1 2 is 2, 1 4 is 4, 1 2 is 2. Now check it. As the multiplier was of 4 digit, we are getting here 4 rows. 1 2 3 4. Now you have to add all the rows number. Let us add 5. Here 2 plus 0, 2. 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 5, 14. 4, 1 carry. 2 plus 10, 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 5, 22. Plus 1 carry, 23. 1 carry, 2 carry in that case. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus carry 2, 10. Again 1 carry. 7 plus 4, 11. Plus 1 carry, 12. 2. 1 carry again. 2 plus 1, 3. So this becomes the product. So here we have multiplied 4 digit number by another 4 digit number. Let us take this type of another example of multiplier 4 digit. Another example. This number 18405 multiplied by 1618. Okay. So here multiplicand is of 5 digit, but the multiplier is of 4 digit. Let us arrange it first in proper column. 18405 1618. Start with this 8. Go through the 8 table. 8 5 is 40. 40 0, 4 carry. 800 plus 4, 4. 8 4 is 32, 3 carry. Okay. 8 8 is 64 plus 3, 67. Now 6 carry. 8 1 is 8 plus 6, 14. So this completes the first row. Then 1 cross sign. Now multiply by 1. 1 5 is 5. 1 0 0. 1 4 is 4. 1 8 is 8. 1 1 1. Then for next step we will give 2 cross sign. Now with 6. 6 5 is 30. 0. 3 carry for here. Okay. 6 0 0 plus 3 3. 6 4 is 24, 2 carried. 6 8 is 48 plus 2, 50, 0, 5 carry. 6 6 6 1 is 6 plus 5. 6 1 is 6 plus 5, 11. This one complete third row. Now last row we will put first 3 crosses sign one after another places. Now by 1, 1 5 is 5, 1 0 0, 1 4 is 4, 1 8 is 8, 1 1 is 1. This completes the multiplication. Now you have to add all this row. Check it how many rows are there for 4 digit multiplier. 1 2 3 4 rows. Now let us complete it by adding 0, 4 plus 5 9, 2 is here, 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 3 14, 14 plus 5 19, 9 1 carry, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 1 carry 17, 7 1 carry again, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 6 and 1 carry 7, 8 plus 1 9, 1 plus 1 2. So this is the result. So students, in this way, if the multiplier is of higher digit, that means of 3 digit or 4 digit or maybe more digit, in the similar way we can multiply it. The process is same, steps are same. So I hope you have well understood the multiplication process and you can do so many other multiplication this type. Okay, this completes today's topic. In next class we will discuss another topic. Thank you and goodbye.